Okay, this is a little more challenging composite area and perimeter problem. It's question D, and I'm just going to do the whole thing. Maybe you've tried it yourself, but let's just take a look at it. First, we've got this picture. I can see in the bottom all we're given is this 80 centimeters, this is 50 centimeters, and this is a half circle you're given here. You're supposed to find this blue area, and you're supposed to find the distance all the way around the outside. Okay, let's just take it apart. Here's the radius. They give you the radius of the circle. Well, it's 20 up here. It must be 20 down here. So that gives us this distance here. 40 centimeters is the distance between between these parallel lines here. You're kind of given that that's parallel, that's given. There's a triangle here on the end here. It's 80 centimeters all the way along here, 50 centimeters at the top. Well, 80 minus 50, that would make this 30 right here, 30 centimeters. Well, that should make sense. Now, let's just take a look at one more thing we've got to figure out. We know that that's 30. We know that this is 40 centimeters. Well, that's a right-angled triangle because I draw a perpendicular line straight down here. It creates a right-angled triangle. Well, if I go 30 squared plus 40 squared and square root it, I get this last piece here. Hey, we've got just about everything we need to do the whole thing. Let's look at the perimeter first, the distance around the outside. Well, the easiest thing is just start adding 80 plus 50 plus 50, and then half a circle. Well, pi times diameter is the distance around a circle, and the diameter is 40. So half of pi times diameter, that's the distance around the half circle. Well, there it is. You just put that in your calculator. 1/2 pi times 40, that's 20 pi. 100 plus 180 plus 20 pi. I put that in my calculator. I got 242,83. Ooh, that's a little mistake. That should be a 2 there. Centimeters. Now let's look at the area. Well, we've got a triangle right here. We've got a triangle right here, 1/2 the base times the height, right triangle. Well, 1/2 of 40 is 20 times 30, it's 600 square centimeters. This entire rectangle here would be 40 times 50. That'd be 2,000. 40 times 50 is 2,000 square centimeters. And then to work out the blue area, we take away half of the circle. Well, pi r squared, pi times radius squared, and take half of it. Well, that's 400 pi, that's 200 pi. Well, there it is. If this was all the way out here, I'd have the rectangle plus the triangle, it'd be 2,600 minus 200 pi. I put that in my calculator, and I got 1971,68 square centimeters for the area of this blue shaded region. Well, that question took quite a bit of thinking, so I hope you did all right. I didn't try it yourself, but now you can watch a video and figure out how it works.